Okay, what's up YouTube? It's Ollie and Amy. We're back. I know it's been a while. We've got two new vans. We've got one less van, but we want to take one on a road trip. What one do you want to take?
I reckon the yellow one.
Okay, well we just finished the pink one, so I'm hoping we choose the pink one. Let's toss a coin and find out.
Heads, Sunny, the yellow one.
Yep.
And tails, Peaches, the pink one. All right, ready? No, you go, and I'll catch it.
Okay, let's go. Peaches. Peaches! Yes! Can't wait to see how it goes. Turn out onto the street and then just stop at the end of the street. Okay, we're Ollie and Amy and welcome to the van tour of our 1985 Toyota Hiace named
Peaches.
Let's go check it out. Okay, so this van's a little bit of a Frankenstein between my old van and a new van we've got. It's got my old van's engine, gearbox, diff, and from about here backwards is all from my old van, Jennifer Vaniston. From here forwards, we've built some new things and we've added the roof rack. Let's check it all out. We've got a huge fridge in here, which doubles as your bench seat. Nice and comfy. We've got this cushion and it's not made out of wood to save weight. We've got this made out of a plasticky material. So here we've got our electrical panel which lets you turn everything on, off. We've got our lights and these two run power to the fans. You can turn them on and off individually. We've got our fan back here open and we've also got a remote for these LEDs. All our electrical stuff stored under here. We've got a 240 volt inverter for when you need to charge things. We've got a Sirocco 2 fan, which gives you a bit of breeze when you're either sleeping or driving. Remote rotates any which way. It can be locked up out of the way when driving. We've got heaps of storage inside. So we've got drawer number 1, drawer number 2, and one of my favorite features is this secret compartment here for storage. And we've got this huge drawer down below. This can also be divided or covered up like that. Now we've got a super comfy double bed mattress from IKEA down the side here. We've got our camping mat, we've got our beach umbrella, we've got our awning poles, and Amy's gonna show you what's out back.
Okay, so this is the kitchen. You've got these little bungee cords to secure it while you're driving, so you just unhook those and you can pull that out. Got a bit of a workspace, kitchen workspace, but if you need more room, you've got these little, and you can pop this chopping board on the Velcro just there so you got more room. So we often put gas cooker on top of that, and we have got that here. Obviously, self-explanatory, open it, pop it on there. We've got a tank here. I don't know how many liters, but it's used for like fresh drinking water, coffee, and your basic cooking utensils, frying pan, Tupperware, plates, and all that. And on this side, you've got these little secured drawers as well, and it's all got all your bits and pieces. So spatula, cutlery, salt and pepper, dishes, and my favorite, jars. In the bottom drawer here, the collapsible sink, which is super handy. Just your spray and wipes and all those other little bits and pieces that you might need. Now, in lieu of the sink inside the van, we've just got like a bit of a tub here for all your wet stuff, wetsuits, swimmers, so forth. Got the camp chairs, camp table all here, all folded up, and also the awning too. So the awning actually goes over here, which you can just slide on top of there.
Okay, so being mindful that it's not a pop top, I wanted to make sure this van had something else that made it a bit special. So one of my favorite features of the van is our rooftop deck. Now you can buy, not these dogs, but you can buy this little step from Kmart for about $15. What it does, it locks in there, gives you a step, and you can just climb on up. And we have our rooftop deck. Okay, so up here on the deck, we've got about 200 watts of solar. That goes and feeds a 120 amp hour battery, which is also fed by a DC-DC charger. So your battery's fed when you're both driving and parked up. And that's more than enough for a small little van like this. On the side of the van, we got this shower. It holds quite a bit of water. It's got a vent tap and a tap down there where you attach the shower attachment. And it's also got a little bike valve here. So what I do is I can hook up a little air compressor about this big, pumps pressure into there, which means you've got a little bit of a pressurized shower system. Now, I thought of that myself. I have seen other systems since then come out, but I'm going to claim some responsibility for that idea. So let's go it. This is the cockpit. It's a very old vintage car. It's a column shift. It's an automatic though, so it makes it easy. You just change gears down and up. We've got an engine guard down here that'll let us know if the engine's getting too hot. It's very important in these old cars. It'll just blast an alarm, tell us to pull over. We've got our cup holder, armrest, and a speaker because the old original one doesn't work anymore. And we got a nice little fan here to keep us cool. Another fun little feature, we've got a secret little surf lock up here. So when you're heading for a surf or a hike or something, you can just put your keys in here, beep, 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 and lock it away. It's not like one of those obvious ones people are gonna rip off the back and get in there. Okay, thanks for watching our van tour of Peaches. She's available for hire on Camplify. She will be up for sale soon as we focus on our bigger rig for our lap of Australia, and we hope to see you out there on the road. Don't forget to give us a follow and a subscribe to stay in touch with our upcoming lap build and for all our adventures as we do a lap of Australia next year. See you out there. What'd you like to drive?
Truck. Surprisingly.
No. What are your favourite things about